Hey, it's Rob and welcome to Axel's Garage. A little bit different of a video today. We're talking about the Ford Maverick and the ordering process with the Ford Maverick. Now back in, it's still 2022, but back when the Maverick ordering was open, my wife and I were discussing ordering a 22 Maverick, and somebody that we spoke to had just ordered one, and then we sat on it for a couple weeks, and I went to go to try to order one, and you couldn't do it online. So I called some dealerships locally here, and the ordering was closed for the 22 Maverick. We're like 2 weeks too late. We sat on it and procrastinated. So two of my local dealerships, and I'm going to tell you which ones they are because, you know, if you're local to me and you're going to those dealerships. So there was Hempstead Ford, which is my most local dealership in Hempstead, New York. And then there was Levittown Ford. Now, every time I've attempted to buy a new car, Hempstead Ford, being my closest Ford dealer, was one of the ones that I popped into, and I never had a good experience there. I always walked out, never dealt with them. It was always a disaster. Levittown Ford, I've never went to, never called them, and they seem to be a lot more friendly, and people that I know have bought vehicles from them without a problem. I do know people that bought at Hempstead Ford also without a problem, but I had better personal reviews from Levittown Ford. So I actually contacted both of them, and they got me on the list for 2023 Maverick ordering. So Levittown Ford said, we'll get you on the list. This is when the ordering is going to open up. We'll call, we'll let you know, and then we'll bring you in, and you can order it when the ordering opens up. Hempstead Ford said the same thing. About a month ago or so, I get a call from Hempstead Ford, and they said, ordering is going to open up soon. Are you still interested in a 23 Maverick? And I said, yes, I am. Okay, we'll keep you on the list. Haven't heard anything from Levittown Ford. Then about 2 weeks ago, Hempstead Ford calls me up. We think opening is going to be opening up very soon. We just want to let you know. Are you still interested? Yes, I am. Okay, you're on the list. And then yesterday, which is September 19th. So ordering opened up on September 15th. They called me, and I didn't even realize that it was September 15th already, and ordering had opened up. So I was like sort of late to the game. I had been keeping track online and doing the Googling on the YouTube and seeing what people were saying, and I completely missed. I saw a YouTube video and I saw a forum post that said September 15th they're going to open up, and I didn't even realize it was September 15th yet. Turns out now it's the 19th. I get a call from Hempstead Ford. Hey, how you doing? And he said, well, ordering is open for the 23 Maverick. Would you like to order one? Yes, I would. Okay. You'd like to make an appointment and come in? Yes. When can I come in? He goes, well, I get it done this week because we expect ordering to close down next week sometime. So I say, okay, I'll come Saturday. Right? So it's the 19th, Monday the 19th. I'm going to come on Saturday. He goes, okay, no problem. Gives me an appointment for Saturday. I'm all happy. Monday night, the 19th, I'm online Googling around, and what do I find? I find a unconfirmed memo from Ford shutting down the ordering for a hybrid Maverick on the 20th, so the next day, Tuesday, which is today, at 10 p.m., and then for the EcoBoost on Wednesday, the 21st, at 10 p.m. So like, this guy gave me an appointment for Saturday, and the memo reads that any orders after that are going to be dealer inventory orders. So now what am I thinking? I'm thinking they're going to have me order one on Saturday. It's really for dealer inventory, and they're going to make it seem like it's coming to me. And then when it comes in, if they could sell it, you know, higher than MSRP, they ain't never even going to call me and tell me it's in. They're just going to sell it out from under me. So I'm like, shit, what do I do? And I go around and I'm searching all night long about this memo, and there's no real authoritative source that can verify that this memo is even real. I said, well, it's Tuesday morning now, the 20th. Ordering on this, according to this memo, shuts down at 10 p.m. So I call the guy up and I say, hey, listen, I was online last night and there's this memo floating around the internet. And he goes, I know exactly what you're going to say. He said, all I've been doing all morning is calling customers that we had appointments with to see if they want to order them. We're doing orders by phone. They could come in. We just found out about this. Really? You just found out about it? Well, if he's telling the truth, then good on them. That he said he had me on his list to call today. He was glad I called. And he said, when would you like to come in? You want to do it over the phone? I said, no, I'd rather come in. You're 5 minutes down the road. He said, okay, 4 o'clock. It's 3:25. I'm going there at 4 o'clock, and I'm going to order a 2023 Maverick. Now, What's going to happen when I get there? Who knows? Will I actually get to order one? I don't know. Will I walk out cursing? Very possible. Anything can happen at this point, but I just wanted to update you on what's really going on with the Maverick from a real purchaser. I have no connection to Ford. I have no connection to any of these dealers. There's a lot of misinformation going around on both in the message forums and on YouTube, and I'm just going to take you along for the ride with this ordering process with the 2023 Maverick. I went online did a little homework before I get there at 4 o'clock to see the changes in the option packages, and there's nothing on a Ford Motor Company website that says anything about the different colors and different options. We know there's online forums and YouTube videos that say they dropped a color or two and added a color or two, and then there's the Tremor package, and they changed some option packages, but nothing from Ford that actually says it. There's no build and price on their website yet. There's nothing. So I went on the 22 build and price for the Maverick, and I just wrote down what options I wanted, and let's see what happens when I go down there. I'm going to have those list of options, and we'll see what happens with what they have. What I did here was that they dropped like one of the blues, which we didn't want a blue one anyway. I think we pretty much want the cactus gray. They dropped a red and a blue, which we didn't care for anyway, so but they added a black appearance package. So if they added a black appearance package, I definitely want that with the cactus gray. And there was some other options that I wanted. Apparently they did something with remote start. They took it out of a package and put it as a standalone. Remote start could delay the process because of the chip shortage bullshit. Don't get me started on that. But anyway, I'm gonna go in just about 30 minutes and try to get one ordered, and then in the next video I'll let you know what really happened from just a regular end user, a guy that went online, made a phone call to the local dealership, and we'll see what happens. Levittown Ford, I'm sorry you missed out on this one because you were talking to me and then you stopped. You know, I hate it when cars are selling like mad like this at or above MSRP, because the dealerships, they gave a shit less about you when you were paying under MSRP. Now you're paying at or over MSRP. They really don't care about their customers, which kind of sucks. I've never had a good experience at a car dealership. I shouldn't say that. I've had a good experience at a car dealership leasing. I've never had a good experience at a car dealership buying, ever. It could be New York, because they all have attitudes in New York. Who knows? But we'll see you on the next video. Stay tuned.